This is DINGBO Power. We'll guide you through the refilling coolant, engine oil, and fuel. This is the fuel filler port. This is the fuel inlet pipe. Connect the pipeline securely for fuel supply. This is the fuel return pipe. After connecting the pipelines, loosen the exhaust screw and press the hand pump until all air is expelled from the pipeline. Tighten the screw firmly afterwards. Select the appropriate fuel grade based on the ambient temperature of the operating environment. Check the oil dipstick to ensure the oil level is between the low and high marks. Add oil if the level is below the minimum. This is the engine oil filler cap. Unscrew the cap before refilling. Ensure the engine oil is compatible with the engine model. Refer to the engine manual for specific specifications. Tighten the cap securely after refilling. This is the coolant filler neck. Critical note: refill coolant only after the unit has fully cooled down. Refilling during hot operation may cause cylinder block cracking or coolant splashing. Each action: fill the coolant to the specified level as indicated in the manual.